Why are NFTs worth anything? Where does an entry on the blockchain associated with a JPEG or a video or a piece of music gets its value from? Today, I want to look at 3 different value drivers for NFTs. My name is Lucas, and here at the Wealthineer, we look into all things crypto, blockchain, and the metaverse. Let's start with a quick recap. What are NFTs? NFT stands for non-fungible token. That means one NFT is not equal to another one, even if it's from the same collection. Compare that to a fungible token like Ethereum. One ETH is equal to another ETH. So it doesn't matter. But when you look at a Bored Ape or at a Fidenza, each and every NFT has a certain set of unique traits, so they are not interchangeable with each other. When we look at real-world examples, NFTs can best be compared to memorabilia, to trading cards, or to pieces of art like the Mona Lisa. I will go through 3 value drivers from what I personally perceive as the least sustainable one to the most sustainable one. We will talk in this order about speculation, status, and utility. When we look about what drives value to NFTs, it's basically what creates demand. Let's look into speculation first. Speculation creates demand because people want to buy an NFT because they expect that at a later point, the NFT will be worth more and they can sell for profit. This is the least sustainable because once the market goes into a downtrend, no one would buy a collection that is just hyped up because of speculation, because everyone who speculated wants to run to the exit as quick as possible, and there are no more buyers, so prices would most likely crash. The next driver for demand for NFTs, and therefore for value, is status. Some collections, like, for example, the Fidenzas or the Bored Apes, created huge communities around them. They are well known for being very valuable, and therefore they're a good flex if you want to show how much you got. Because, I mean, when you look at the real world, what are things you buy for status? For once, it could be a Rolex, or it could be a Lamborghini if you want to flex with your wealth. It could also be the jersey of your favorite sports club, because you want to be associated with the community of fans for that sports club around the world, and you want to belong to that group. And for NFTs, it's just the same. You want to belong to the Bored Apes. You want to be a CryptoPunk. You want to be part of the CloneX ecosystem created by Artifact. That's all communities created around certain NFTs. The third driver for demand and therefore for value of NFTs is utility. If, for example, you own this Nike hoodie created by Artifact, the studio Nike acquired recently, this NFT can be used to claim this exact hoodie as a physical product, and on top of that, you get some nice augmented reality filters to show yourself with those beautiful wings. If you're a Bored Ape Yacht Club holder or a Cyberkong holder, you got access to certain Discord channels where those communities exchange valuable information with each other. If you don't own the NFT, you're out of luck. You have no access. Or if you look at Axie Infinity, a game, you need 3 Axie NFTs to play this game. And there are many more games that need certain NFTs to be played. There, the utility is just what you get from it when you load it into your game account. I personally really believe that most NFT collections that we know today will go to zero, because only the collections that deliver the most value, the most utility to their holders will, in the end, survive. So, if you are curious and want to look into getting an NFT, be very careful, do your due diligence, and just put money in you're willing to lose, because that's what very likely could happen. But it's a very exciting space, and I'm super curious which business cases we do not know yet will emerge in the coming years. These were 3 ways NFT collections create demand and therefore value. Do you agree with those? Do you have some I did miss? Just let me know in the comments below, or drop simply an emoji to let me know that you liked the video. If you thought this video was helpful, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and to never miss another piece of content I put out on this channel, hit that bell icon too. That's it for today. Thank you for tuning in, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.